Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Claudia, international makeup artist, and today I'm gonna show you how to achieve this easy thin eyeliner look with clean skin and a bold lip. You already know how important it is to have clean skin before applying any makeup, so always make sure that your canvas is clean. You always see me using this toner because it balances the skin and is not drying it at all. This is why I love this Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner from Fresh. Of course, don't forget to apply your hydrating eye cream. Now I'm using the Bobbi Brown one and I'm gently massaging it into the skin. Now I'm gonna show you a trick that I'm always using when I want glowing skin, but only in the key areas. So I start by using this illuminating primer by Laura Mercier only on the highest points of the face. Then I'm gonna use one of my favorite lip masks because I forgot to apply it earlier, so I'm applying it right now. And now for the second priming part, I'm gonna use the Brightening and Blur Primer by Becca only on the center of the face, so in the areas where I don't necessarily want that much shine. For foundation, I'm gonna use something very lightweight. This is Hello Happy by Benefit, and I love this foundation because even if it's so lightweight, it still has a medium coverage, I would say. It depends on how well you blend it and how much of it you use. Now for concealer, I'm using the Beauty Blender in order to apply it in the key areas, and I'm also gonna blend it at the same time. You know I love my cream blush, so next step is applying this blush by Milk, and I'm using my favorite setting brush from Real Techniques in order to apply it, and then I'm gonna just blend the edges. For highlighter, I'm applying this one by Fenty Beauty. I'm combining these two shades, Lighting Dust and Fire Crystal, and I'm using them on the highest points of the cheeks, bridge of the nose and inner corners of the eye as well. Next step is setting the under eye area, and I'm gonna apply the By Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Powder in a very thin layer underneath the eyes and around the nose as well, but I'm first making sure that nothing creased before applying any powder. I also want to warm up the skin, so now I'm using the Milk Chocolate Soleil by Too Faced, and I'm applying it underneath the cheekbones, on the temples, which is very important, and on the forehead as well, a little bit on the nose and a little bit on the chin. So basically almost all over the face for that sun-kissed effect. Because I don't want that powdery effect on the skin, I'm now gonna use the Glow Cocoa Hydrating Mist by Huda Beauty all over the face so that every powder will melt into the skin. The eyes are gonna be extremely easy to do for this look because I want a very clean canvas. I'm just applying this primer in order to cancel out the little veins on the eyelids. And now I'm just gonna set everything with this Bone shade from the Maven Beauty palette, so I'm basically just blending it all over the lid. And on the lower lash line I will use a very light shade of brown just to give a little bit of dimension. And now for the star of the show, the thin liner. I'm gonna use the liquid liner by Maven Beauty. I feel like this is a pretty user-friendly liner even for those of you who are not necessarily that skilled. And the most important trick in order to have beautiful eyeliner is to actually look straight into the mirror when you are creating it. So basically you will see how your eyeliner will look when you're gonna look straight. For the wing, I even like to use my nail sometimes just to make it extra fine. You already know I love my bushy brows, so now I'm gonna use the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit in order to brush them up and set them in place. And in order to fill in the brows just a tiny little bit in a very natural way, I'm just gonna use this brow pen by MAC. This is the shade Taupe. It's a very light shade and I'm only gonna use it to draw a few hair strokes. For lips, I'm gonna start by lining them using the Spice Lip Liner by MAC, and then my trick in order to have those perfect lips is to actually correct them with a tiny bit of concealer on a flat brush right after you apply the liner. And the final step is applying the Buena lipstick by Maven Beauty all over the lips. I also applied a few individual lashes because you know I love my flirty lashes. You already have a tutorial on my YouTube channel, is the previous tutorial. So if you want to see how I'm applying my lashes and what lashes I'm using, just go to that video please. And I will finish the look of course with a ton of mascara. I love mascara. This is the Huda Beauty mascara and I'm applying it on top and bottom lashes as well. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoy it, and of course don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you recreate it so that I can repost you on my stories. Thank you so much for watching, and of course if you have any suggestions or any requests of looks that you would like to see on my channel, please leave them in the comments below.